Well, Crose Mechanical is very prevalent in the commercial industry these days. We seem to have a growing list of customers for commercial refrigeration. We look after rooftops for a lot of the commercial buildings. We do commercial cooking equipment, so we seem to be getting more and more known amongst the local restaurants. Yeah, commercial heating, commercial refrigeration, commercial cooling, and commercial cooking equipment. Very similar to the residential, the key is preventative maintenance. Like, get your units serviced, get them looked at, once a year. Some of the rooftop units that we look after, because of the nature of where they are and what they serve, we'll do quarterly filter changes. So as we are up on the roof and we're changing all the 2-inch filters, we're also paying attention to overheated wires and a quick assessment to make sure that there are no evident issues going on. Besides the quarterly filter changes, in one of the visits, we'll do an assessment for heating before the winter time strikes. And then in the springtime, we can do an assessment for cooling. We can clean coils, check amp draw for compressors and circulating blowers, and just maintain the rooftop units so that they don't leave you cold and we don't have to go up on the roof at 2 in the morning in the middle of the winter, because we don't like doing that. So we look after the professional center in Owen Sound. We have worked at Transcontinental, and we've worked at Tenneco, and we've worked at a variety of restaurants in the area, hotels, seniors homes,